Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So all are too new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification here. Okay, so let's talk about today's topic called KMS. What is this KMS? How it is working? And how we can able to create it. So where all the services we can able to use it, KMS. Okay. So normally KMS is a managed services to create and control the custom or managed keys. Okay. And the second one is KMS can be used to retrieve and the keys from the SDK or API. Okay. Who all are using SDK or API. Okay. We can able to retrieve the details. Okay. And we can also use this keys. Okay. To communicate with the S3, okay, EBS and encrypting. Okay, so all the related database services we can able to encrypt it using the KMS. Okay, so if you are able to see it, you can able to create, edit, and view, and one is for symmetric and asymmetric keys. Okay, and the policy also we can able to do it. We can give the access for the grant. We can able to access for the key policies. Okay, so this is all about KMS. Okay, and let's come to the official documentation. Okay, so from here also we can able to see it. So AWS Key Management Services. Okay, so from here it is going to show us all the details. So where we can use it. Okay, how we can able to manage it, policies. Okay, encryption the data. Okay, securely generate the hash-based messages, authentication ports, everything. Okay, if you come to the how it is working. So if you're able to see it, this is your AWS KMS, and you can encrypt all these services. Okay, if you come to cloud trial, cloud watch. Okay, so here we can able to use KMS to encrypt the data. Okay, if you have any questions, you can just go to the FAQs so that you'll get all the details. Okay, so let's jump into the AWS console. So let's search for the KMS. So let's go for creation of the KMS. Okay, so if you're able to see it here, you can able to create the keys. Okay, so there is a one for, let me go it one by one. So let me use it symmetric as of now. Okay, and I'm going to select it. So you can just use the encrypt and decrypt. And next, so you can mention that symmetric key. Okay, and you can just copy and paste it here also. If you wanted to tag it, you can able to tag it here. Okay, for example, if you wanted to give it any specific user or roles, you can use it. So as of now, I'm going to give the permission for user. Okay, so I'll be allowing the administrator to delete and enable it. Okay, so now I'm selecting the user because he wanted to get the permission. So let's go ahead and finish it up. Okay, so now we can able to see that our key is created. If you wanted to come to customer managed key, you can able to see it. Okay, so we have created a symmetric key, right? Okay, so it is enabled symmetric and encrypt and decrypt. Okay, so the same way you can able to create it asymmetric. Okay, and so from here you can use it sign in and encrypt, or you can use it anyone is fine. Okay, and if you want RSA 2048 or the key specification. Okay, you can use it anything according to your requirement 2048 or 4096. Okay, now I'm going to create a symmetric keys. Just I'm going for now any one, let me take anything is fine. So I'm going to give the policy for this one, agent policy. Okay, the same role I'm going to give it here. So let's finish it up. Okay, now we can able to see the asymmetric also. Okay, so this is the one we have created. Okay, the same way I can able to create it for the, for example, if anybody using a Mac. Okay, so I can use it Mac. Okay, for this format it is going to be generated. Use the key only to generate and verify based message authentication message. Okay, authentication codes, you can use it for that also. You can just Mac, or what is that, the name we can call it as, yeah, or we can use it HM. So these are all related, the requirement wise you can able to use it. That's all. Okay, but this is a good one because we can able to encrypt all our services. Okay, so if you wanted to delete the keys, okay, you cannot delete it suddenly. You can just select anyone here, go to here, you need to schedule it. So when you wanted to schedule it, minimum 7 days. Okay, so after 7 days it is going to be deleted. Suddenly you cannot delete it. Okay, it is showing pending deletion, pending deletion. The same way here also, schedule it 7 days. Do not keep it more than that. And same thing here also, I'm going to schedule a key deletion. Just confirm it, schedule deletion, that's it. Okay. So this is going to be deleted the keys. Okay, so it will take for 7 days, then it is going to be deleted. Okay, so this is all about KMS. Okay, so let's talk about one more service called step function. Okay, step function. Okay, so what is this step function it is doing? Okay, if we go to the official documentation, let's go to step function. So if you're able to see it, so this is the official documentation. Okay, so where we can use it. So visual workflow for the distributed application. Okay, this is going to be use it like a orchestration for the serverless. It is like kind of a lambda. Okay, so for that also you can use it. And if you come to the how it is working, okay, you can just create a function, then it is going to be create an inventory, it will go to the buy customer ship product. It is like a, you don't want it to write any uh, uh, web servers. Okay, so from here only you can just create a step function. You'll get to know what are how we can able to access it. Okay, so use cases, these are all the use cases. Okay, you can use it. Microservices also can use it. Automate security IT functions. Okay, so from here we can able to use it. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a sample step function here. So from here, if you can able to see it, how it is working, everything they have already given it. Okay, multiple services we can able to use it in this step function. So get started, and here there is a different formats are there. So if you have your own format, you can use it, create one. If you do not have a, so let's go and create a one hello world sample. So this is going to be create within a 3 minutes. Okay, if you're able to see it, so left side we can able to see it lambda and SNS, run task, start execution, start job. Okay, all the services we can be able to use it. Okay, so if you wanted to create a function, just create it. Okay, so from here, okay, if you wanted to test it out, okay, just change it, testing 1 2 3 or something, you can just mention it. Okay, once we done it, just start execution. If you click it, if you come down, so once it is ready, it will come, all it is green. Okay, see, automatically it is taking everything. Okay, so for example, here there is already execution details, it will be there. Okay, which are the steps are executed. Okay, what is the time it is taken. Okay, date, seconds, everything it is showing here. Okay, if you wanted table view, okay, you can see it, or graph view also, that is fine. Okay, so this is all about step function. Okay, if you wanted to delete it, just go ahead and select and delete the step function. Okay, so if you are using for the testing, just delete it. Okay, so this is all about KMS and step function, how we can create it, how we can delete it, and how we can able to use it in the live environment. Okay, so that is all about today's topic. Okay, so if you're not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it. So till that, bye bye.